welcome. Another episode. Michael Griffin, aka Griff. And here we go. Picking up my V4R. I know a lot of people are probably going to question this and what we're doing, but I like to make my vehicles, whether it's a motorcycle, as you can see, my truck, I like to make it my own personal vehicle. So with that being said, yes, I bought a 2023 V4R. I have ridden on the track a couple of times, but it has to be my bike. I hate the fact that when I'm on the track, I'm riding, you look, there's another V4R, there's another V4R. They are very special bikes. Shout out to Ducati Austin for the hookup. Vito, you especially. Josh, who keeps me right on the track. But with that being said, we're here at Graphic Guys. We're gonna go take a look at the bike. I dropped it off. I talked to Damien a little bit, back and forth through emails, trying to come up with some type of design and whatnot. But I pretty much told Damien, work your magic and just do what you can to make me happy. So let's see what they've done today. What's up, Byron? What's going on? Damien in the office.
What's up?
What's up?
How you doing?
So y'all guys, this is Byron. Known Byron for a long time. Maserati. I know you did Ryan Ragpo.
Yeah.
The Cupcake Guys, the van. He's done a lot of work for us. So if you're in Austin area, South Austin, Southwest Austin, Byron, you've been all over Austin. When I first met you, was downtown area. You kind of moved back this way, which is even a blessing for me because you're closer to me.
Oh yeah, this facility we got so much better.
So much better. But if you're ever in the Austin area, whatever, graphicguys.com. This is the guy that will definitely take care of you. Please book him because he's always busy. And now we're gonna go holler at Damien, the man himself. We have Damien. Damien, it's okay to use your real name. I know you're a most wanted man. What's up, Damien? So here to pick up the bike. I know we've been going back and forth with emails and things of that nature, but I guess it's time, no further ado, to see what you did for me.
Yeah, let's go take a look at it.
All right.
This is it. Got her all designed up and everything is to T. Everything's done with knife tape. All the designs are smooth and installed by one of our best installers. So,
you know what the biggest thing I like most is that red accent really made it pop. I'm big into dark. I like dark colors when it comes to my bikes, but the small red accents really did make it pop. The biggest thing I noticed is that just how you made this flow.
Yeah.
The red come here, flows on the outside, but then you have that satin black. I love how that kind of ties the bike all together. And the biggest thing I realized is so people still know that it's a V4R. We made sure to put that right here, Panigale V4R. Of course, we got to represent Ducati Austin when we're on the track. But man, it came out really nice. It's not a lot. The thing I realized, it's not a lot. It's just little small details that just make it.
It's subtle, and all these lines really bring out all the like the body lines of the bike.
Yes.
So it's not too overwhelming, but it definitely shows the features of the bike.
No, I know some people question if I really ride. Yes, you look at the tires. This is the last track day, so I have not replaced the tires from the last track day. So yes. A lot of ball. You know I do not ride street, only track. If you look here, I have no license plates, no lighting, no nothing. So yes, strictly track only. It's really nothing much more to do outside. Just put it on the track.
Now you gotta go rip it, show what it's made of.
Gotta rip it, man. But I really do appreciate it, Damien. I really do. Man,
appreciate the business.
I know the first time second time is always a charm. I'm just glad.
I'm glad we went back and added some more features to it.
And it's not even a lot, it's little things, just the little details. The satin, how the black flows all the way, it matches the black down there, but the red.
Black flows in, goes into the seat, and then this back here even flows in with this little black part of the seat.
Yes. Yeah, man, well, I really do appreciate it. We're going to get out your way. I know you got a lot more stuff to do. Look behind you, still got some ATVs right here. You got to take care of, but I really do appreciate it, though. Best way to take it out this door right here?
Yeah, we can, we'll open it up for you.
back here at Motovation USA, right here in Pflugerville, Texas, where y'all know that I get all my accessories, majority when it comes to my bikes. I love to come here because they pretty much take care of my bikes. They matter you put some of them on display for people to come and take a look at them. But here, we got the V4R right here, which y'all already seen. We picked it up from the wrap shop, but I didn't get quite any detail. But you know this grayish color, painted by my good friend Carlos Zarate, he actually painted this to dark gray. We just added the red and the black accents in it to kind of bring it in and tie this bike all together with the black, the red, the gray, those different variations of colors. But over here, we got the BMW. And right now, we have not quite finished it, but I told you earlier that I do like to customize and make every bike my own. And right here, we have the DBK, the clear cut cover that we're going to put on this bike. And at that moment, it should be done. But you know, every once in a while, you find something that just kind of catches your eye. And you're like, let's put that on there. Let's put this on there. But again, I cannot change the color. I do love the color. But at the same time, I still want to make it my own personal bike. And at this, you have the Streetfighter SP, the 2021. Yes, it's SP1. It's not the SP2 Ducati. I'm still upset with y'all because y'all decided to come out with another one before I can actually even ride this thing. If you look over here, look, I have not ridden this bike. I think I may only have maybe a little bit over 100 miles on it just to break it in a little bit or whatnot. But again, this bike is pretty much all done. You see right here, we have a lot of different things, the bells and whistles on this bike to make it my own personal bike. Yes, the color is factory, but a lot of these different bits and pieces on it, I did an absolute job of making this my own personal bike. But hey, if y'all want to continue to follow on my journey through this whole process of customizing my bikes, whether it's being out on the track, whether it's helmets, different interviews, and different things of that nature, continue to watch the YouTube channel with Motovation and just stay tuned. We got a lot of great things in. BMW, please. Yes, I had the 22, but I ordered my 23M. I've been waiting. I see everybody across the world, 650 Eve. I see you guys. And y'all got two, but they're all over the place. Can I please get mine sometime soon? Because I can't wait to get my hands on one and start doing my own custom work with that. And definitely using it for what it's made for and putting it on the track like I've done all these beauties except for this one. But hey, stay tuned. We got a lot of things coming up. Just stay tuned. If you have any questions or anything, hey, ask the questions. I will definitely get back with you and respond. Or if there's anything you would like for me to do or show or whatever it may be, hey, pretty much it's y'all's journey with me and my journey. And let's take this together. Thank you. Stay safe out on the street. Thank y'all again for following me. Griff, peace out.